I'm gonna be decorating for fall today. I'm way behind schedule. Usually I decorate the first week of September, but I've been so busy canning all of the produce from our garden that I'm just now getting around to it. So regardless, I've had a lot of people ask how I decorate and wanting to see the inside of our farmhouse. So I'm gonna decorate everything today and then I'll do a tour. I usually do it in two parts. I decorate the house one day and then I decorate the porch the next day because they both kind of take a while. I love decorating. I'm like a little bit over obsessed with it, but it's just so fun and the kids love it. So anyway, come along and I'll show you how to do it. And look at little man sleeping on the couch. I'll try not to wake him up. James took the older two boys over to the barn with him and they're working on some stuff for the pond we're gonna be building. So anyway, let's do it. First, we gotta go to the basement and get all the decorations. And they are in here. Under our basement steps is the storage for all of our holiday decorations. Here it is. Let's take it upstairs and decorate. Once I bring my decorations up, I just start getting them all out and I kind of lay them out all over the living room so I can see what I've got. And then I just start putting them up. Honestly, there's no rhyme or reason for this. Some stuff I do put in the same spot every year just because like that floral piece goes on the mantle and certain stuff do have specific places, but most of the stuff, I don't know, it's just random. I just put it up and I love it. Okay, so I got lots of decorations out. You can kind of see the vibe here. I know that the world loves a neutral decor palette and they love neutral fall colors, but I'm all about the colors of fall. I love what the outside looks like when fall is here with the bright oranges and reds and yellows and golds. So I can incorporate all those colors in my house. You ready to decorate, bud? Let's do it. Look at that dirty, muddy farm face. It's done. We have a lot of new people on our YouTube channel and Instagram account, so I thought I would just jump on here real quick and just explain something. If you're sitting here watching this video thinking, wow, it must be so nice to have all these nice, expensive things, I'm just gonna give you a quick recap of our life. James and I actually built this house ourselves. We did, I don't know, maybe 80% of the outside of the house, but 100% of the inside was done by us completely. And all the stonework you see, I actually did myself. We spent $900 on that beautiful stone fireplace. And that also included the stone in the kitchen that you'll see here in just a minute. And if you loved our really pretty railings and newel posts, those are just made out of scrap metal from a metal yard close by and some scrap lumber. That stuff was a couple $100. So if you want nice things and you're willing to work for them, you can get them because buying supplies ultimately is not very expensive. The only genuinely expensive thing in our house is our kitchen cabinets. They were very expensive, but that was an investment for us. We got Amish made cherry cabinets. We absolutely love them, but they were extremely expensive. They get used every day though. I'm in the kitchen at least a couple hours a day. So anyway, if you guys have any questions, let me know, but otherwise enjoy the rest of the footage. We love decorating for fall in our house. It just brings us so much joy. This is one of our favorite times of the year. The last thing that I want to mention is that decorating for fall in this way is very inexpensive. Most of the decorations in our house I either got from thrift stores or were hand-me-downs from family members or actually made myself. The other way that I get a lot of stuff for super cheap is I buy them after fall is over when stores are trying to push Christmas decor, and sometimes you can get it for up to 90% off. I've got a lot of decor that way. So combined, for every piece of fall decor you see in this house, I can guarantee you I didn't even spend $100. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys have any questions about the house or the fall decor or anything, just put them in the comments below. Otherwise, happy fall, y'all.